So we have created the cycle count yesterday, right?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, it's 001, right? So Abhi cycle count is our
Mm.
this is our cycle count. Okay, we have defined by period. So monthly once I need a count for this. Okay,
Okay.
next schedule date is 17th. Then we have to change the today's date. If you are not changing today's date, then it will not work. Okay,
Okay.
out of tolerance. Then okay, save. Next, next, save. So once we created the cycle count, after that we have to run the three scheduled job. Okay.
Okay.
So first one is generate count schedule. So what this process will do means it will schedule the count. Okay, how many count is there in the inventory? It will schedule the count. So these many item we have in the inventory. Like that it will schedule. Okay.
Okay.
So where you have to see the back end, you can see the report. First you have to select this, then after you have to run the concurrent. Okay. Action
Okay.
and go to the concurrent. Tools, schedule process. See, generate count schedule. Okay.
Okay.
Second one is, so first we have created the schedule. Okay. For the cycle count, we have created one schedule. What the schedule will do, it will schedule all the item whichever there in the inventory. Okay. So if you are
Okay.
selecting sub inventory also, it will go and schedule the inventory, whole inventory. Okay.
Okay.
Once it will generate the sequence, then only it will assign the sequence to the item. There it will segregate the sub inventory or organization. So we have defined organization only. So it will sequence all the item whichever there in the organization. It will sequence from 1 to 600. Okay.
Okay.
If serial item also it's included, okay, that will also will added. We'll see that. Generate count sequence. Just you click it, okay, action and click that generate cycle count. It will process, okay. It will trigger the concurrent.
Okay.
What is the main purpose for we are creating this?
Count the sequence.
Huh? No, I'm asking about cycle count.
Means how many items in the system, and whereas we just match whether it is correct or not, just match the items for business purpose. It can be weekly, it can be monthly.
Yes, with schedule process. Okay.
Which, okay.
So sequence got generated. How we are going to see how many item is generated? First, we'll see the sequence. Okay. Here attachment is there, right? Here if you go means go to the log. So here 446 is created. Okay. Why 446 is created? Because some items, I mean 150 items is got zero quantity. Okay. Zero quantity is not required for here. Okay. If we want that zero
Okay.
quantity also, then you have to enable one checkbox. Enable zero quantity. You have seen, right?
In that create cycle count
Yes,
page.
yes. There you have to
Oh,
enable that. If you enable means it will count that also.
okay.
So sequence. So sequence, how many sequences created? We'll check it. 330. Wait, 330. So once this two concurrent will get triggered, okay. After that, so we'll take the printout, okay. So once we take the printout and giving to the warehouse people, they will go and check the inventory record, okay.
Okay.
So for that, we have to give print cycle count, okay.
Okay.
Print cycle count listing report. Organization 001 cycle count, RB cycle count. Okay, then no need to give it. So this four thing is mandatory. So in case sequence is 350 is created. Okay, I just want to first 50 count another, then after I want another 50 count, like that. If you want means you can give the number here. Okay, so I need a 1 to 50. First, I should count 1 to 50. Then after I should count the 15 to 100. If you want like that
Okay.
report, you can mention here and take the report. If you don't want, I need all the quantity whichever there in sequence. If you want to take means you can take it. No need to mention here. It will trigger automatically all the item. Okay.
Okay.
So show only a recount sequence. So recount out option is there, right?
Mm.
Some fraud things will happen. Someone misleading something. They are not counted properly. If
Mm.
their scenario is there means what warehouse manager will do, they will put a recount for 2 time or 3 time if any
Okay.
huge price item. Okay.
Okay.
So for that purpose, if you want to show only that sequence item, recount sequence item, you can give yes here. Okay.
Okay.
Display serial number. So serial number item is there, right?
Mm.
If serial item is there, if you want to see the serial number, you can enable yes here. Okay. Then serial number will also will be shown here once you get the report. display on hand quantity. So, so without on hand quantity only, it's good for checking the inventory. Okay, because if you're
Okay.
giving the report with on hand quantity, what they will do, they will simply write the on hand quantity which is there in the inventory. Okay, they will not count properly. So
Okay.
in real time they will not do the they I mean they don't want to let them show the on hand quantity. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
display exported sequence. This exported sequence is the which is we have exported in ABC, right? ABC we have
Ah,
the export on
yes.
ABC count. There we have 16 sequence, 600 sequence, right, from 1 to 600.
Yes.
Well, if you want to show that sequence also, you can show here. Okay, I'm just
Okay.
giving on hand quantity. How many and serial item is yes. Okay, we'll see this report. We have this both or not. So yeah, you understanding, right? How to create the
Yes.
report.
Yes.
Okay, it got succeed. So report will be generated here. Okay, if you want to take it as a PDF, you can take, or if you want to take it as Excel, you can take it. Okay,
Okay.
see like that the report will be generated. Item description. If the locator is there means locator revision A we have defined. This is lot items. Okay, they have defined lot. Serial number. If we have the serial number, we can see here. Okay.
Okay.
So system quantity. So we have selected yes for show the quantity. So system quantity is 5. So up to 330 item, its count is generated. Okay. So what the
Okay.
warehouse manager people will do, they will take the printout. Okay.
Okay.
They will take the printout, and once they count the inventory stock, this count quantity is there, right?
Mm.
So here they will mention. Okay. And a command.
Okay.
So it's um, any command they want to give, they can give. Okay, like it's finished for one track only pending. So kind of things there mean they will mention the command. So counted by who is which person is counted. That people name should mention here, and the counting date, which date they have counted. Okay, they just write
Okay.
and giving to the warehouse manager. He will enter into the system. Okay,
Okay.
now how he going to enter into the system, we'll see that. Okay.
Which means we give the system level details like the print cycle count listing report is a system, how many items are have that details will send to the warehouse again count and fill that blank details. Is it correct?
Yes. Sorry, come again.
The print cycle count a listing report who means generator means the um
Warehouse
logical
manager
people
will
means the
generate the report.
The warehouse manager means
Who is taking
it's
care
a
of
real
inventory?
physical
Yeah.
physical. Okay.
யார் வந்து வேர்ஹவுஸை வந்து மேனேஜ் பண்ணுறாங்களோ, மேனேஜரு சூப்பர்வைசர் யார் அவங்களோ அவங்க வந்து இது பண்ணுவாங்க.
Okay.
வேர்ஹவுஸில் சில அசிஸ்டண்ட் இருப்பாங்க. ஓகேங்களா? வேர்ஹவுஸ்
Mm,
அசிஸ்டண்ட்டு, வேர்ஹவுஸ் லேபர்லாம் இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ அவங்கள்ட்ட வந்து இவங்க இந்த ரிப்போர்ட்டை கொடுப்பாங்க.
okay.
ஓகேவா? ஸோ இந்த ரிப்போர்ட்
Okay.
அவங்கள்ட்ட கொடுத்து கவுண்ட் பண்ண சொல்லுவாங்க. இன்வென்ட்ரியில் போயிட்டு எல்லாத்தையும் கவுண்ட் பண்ணுங்கன்னு சொல்லி. ஸோ அவங்க
Okay.
கவுண்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதில் நம்பர் எழுதி வேர்ஹவுஸ் மேனேஜர்கிட்ட திருப்பி வந்து கொடுப்பாங்க.
Okay.
ஸோ வேர்ஹவுஸ் மேனேஜர் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா ரெக்கார்ட் கவுண்ட் சீக்வன்ஸில் போயிட்டு ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க.
அப்ப இதுல நம்ம ஒர்க் என்னது? மீன்ஸ் இங்க
கன்சல்டண்ட்டாக என்ன
சிஸ்டம் வைஸ்.
பண்ணுவான்னு கேட்குறீங்க?
ஆ.
கன்சல்டன்ட்னா நம்ம இதை எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணோம் உங்கள்கிட்ட. இந்த ஃபியூச்சர் இருக்கு, செட்டப்ஸ்லாம் நம்ம இந்த ஏபிசி கிரியேட் பண்றோம்ல, இது அதெல்லாம் நம்ம தான் பண்ணணும். அவங்க
ஓகே
ஜஸ்ட்
ஓகே
பர்ஃபார்ம்
ஓகே.
மட்டும் தான் பண்ணுவாங்க. கன்கரண்ட்ல போயிட்டு கன்கரண்ட்டை பர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுவாங்க.
ம் ம்.
சம் பீப்புள் இல்லை நானே
புரிஞ்சுச்சு.
கிரியேட் பண்றேன்னா அவங்களுக்கு நீ எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணணும் எப்படி கிரியேட் பண்றது, இதுல என்னென்ன ஃபீல்டு இருக்கு, இது எதுக்கு எல்லாம் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் அப்படின்னு நீ வந்து யூ ஹாவ் டு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் தெம் வாட் இஸ் தேர் இன் த சைக்கிள் கவுண்ட்.
ஓகே. ஓகே ஓகே.
See, in class D item, so if you expand this, you can get the all the details. Okay,
ஓகே.
so in this item, see this is the same item but different lot. See, item is same. Okay, so lot is different. 1004. This is 1005. Each lot they have items, right? Lot wise they have to check. Okay, so in this lot, in
ஓகே.
this item, how many items there? You have to mention here. Suppose we don't know what is on hand quantity. Okay, here we have defined it, right? See, see here, system quantity is 5, year 5. Okay,
ஓகே.
so 1004, 1005, both also we have 5 item.
ஓகே.
So warehouse people helper is went to warehouse and they have checked how many item is there. Like 7 item is there. Okay,
ஓகே.
so what I define the tolerance, if above 3 is there means it automatically get approved. Okay, no need for
ம்.
approval. If below 1 means yeah, I mean lesser than below 1 means then I need approval. Okay,
ஓகே.
so here for positive quantity I have given, so all hand quantity we have a 5. Now I have counted 7 quantities there. Okay, so this will
ஓகே.
not go to approval because I have mentioned 3. 3 means up to
ம்.
8. If I
எஸ்.
mention 9 means it will go for approval.
ஓகே.
So same ways unhand quantity is 5 but I got only 3. Okay,
ம்.
if I mention 4 means it will get auto approval.
ம்.
So Below one means five, four, not a four, three. Below two, I have mentioned. So two quantity is lesser than what actual quantity is. So I have mentioned three. Okay,
Okay.
just submit it. So why it's two are marked for recount? Because we have mentioned the recount for
Mm,
two time or three time. I don't know. Okay,
okay.
if I again go record, again this will come. Okay, again I'm giving 7 and 3. Okay, submit. See, two count sequence were submitted for approval. Okay, we have given one
Okay.
time recount. Okay, recount sequence is one by. So one time it will go for recount. So what the warehouse people will do, again he will go and check the warehouse and come back to exact quantity. Okay, we have entered it.
Okay. Okay.
How to approve it? We just select the ABC cycle count and approve the count sequence.
Okay.
So we have a three option. Okay. If you want to approve it, you can approve. If you want to recount, you can recount. If you want to reject, you can reject. Okay.
Okay.
But it should auto approve. Why it's showing for approval? Okay. We have entered two quantity. We'll see this item. System quantity 2, 3. Okay. 2, 3. Three and then three. See, one item is marked for recount because we have the same on-hand quantity, with no need for a recount. Okay. If the difference is
Okay.
coming, we have need to recount the sequence. So again, I'm going here and record the count sequence here. I'm giving 3. Okay, submitted for approval.